Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
I bet it would be better fried up with some sautéed cabbage. Sort of a riff on corned beef and hash. Really adding lots of veggies, carrots, frozen peas, green beans, etc. will spread out the saltiness and canned texture. A little bit of tomato sauce could go a long way as well, served over some plain rice.
Take our lead.
In order to get your corned beef hash crispy, you need to cook it on each side long enough to dry out some of the surface moisture. Butter burns much faster than vegetable oils, so I advise using canola or corn oil or a vegetable blend oil.
Let's help you make your mark.
What is corned beef hash? Corned beef hash and eggs are the perfect Irish-inspired brunch entree to serve up with an Irish coffee or Guinness. Crispy sautéed potatoes mixed with chopped corned beef, carrots, onions, and lots of spices. 17 March 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.